She couldn't remember what she ate for breakfast. She couldn't remember where she put her keys. And this all started after she had a surgery that was supposed to be a routine procedure. You want to learn what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I'm here in Baltimore, Maryland at a conference, and I want to share this great information with you. She's undergoing a routine GYN surgical procedure, and they have to put her to sleep. And the anesthesiologist tells her, listen, it's not going to be a problem. This is routine. You're not going to have any problem whatsoever. Well, it turns out that she did have a problem. She had a significant problem because now, after the surgery, she was having difficulty remembering things. She was having difficulty doing basic mathematics. She was having difficulty adding things. And why was that? It wasn't until she went for follow-up with a neurologist, it wasn't until she went for follow-up with another doctor that they finally came to the conclusion that she suffered a brain injury that now affected her cognitive ability to remember, and it affected her short-term memory. It affected her ability to do basic tasks. And it was so bizarre because she was having difficulty even remembering her children's names. Now, before the surgery, she never had a problem like this whatsoever. She was a young woman. And by the way, the surgery itself went beautifully. The doctor came out, told her everything went great. So what was it that actually caused her to have this problem? It turns out the doctor administered too much anesthesia during the course of the procedure. He over-anesthetized her. And as a direct result of that, this patient now suffered a brain injury. Why? Because as a result of the over-anesthetizing her, he now did not reverse that effect in a timely fashion. And because of that, she suffered a lack of oxygen during the course of the surgery. And importantly, we went back and looked at those records. And you know what those records showed? It showed that she had a diminished capacity for oxygen intake. That's known as oxygen perfusion. And when that happens, the brain is not getting enough oxygen in order to perfuse throughout the body. And as a direct result of that anesthesiologist over-medicating the patient, she now suffered these cognitive effects. Now, I will tell you, if you were to look at her directly, you'd think absolutely nothing was wrong with her. But if you sat down with her and started talking to her for an extended period of time, she would turn around and say, I'm sorry, could you tell me your name again? Where did you say you live? And now she'd have these short-term memory problems, and you would immediately recognize that even though visibly you couldn't see something, there was clearly something going on that was wrong with her. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding of one case that I handled involving a woman who suffered significant brain injury as a direct result of over-medication. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.